Hey guys, welcome back. Are you thinking about registering to sell on Amazon? Well, that's great news. Welcome to a network of lakhs of sellers who have sold crores of products over the past year. Now, before you begin, we are sure you may have a lot of questions or doubts. It may seem that there's so much to do, but don't worry, we are here to help you. To begin, step 1, registration. Tell us a little bit about your business and your contact details so that we can get in touch with you to tell you when you get an order or when you get paid. Now, once these details are submitted, your registration is done. So let's talk about listing your products. Show the world your products, their benefits, features, and price it perfectly. Maybe with some nice offers with free delivery, price discounts, early delivery to attract customers. Remember, the more they know, the more attractive the offers, the more chance of them buying. So your account is registered and your products are ready for people to find them. But how will they find your product from among the rest? Here's a tip from our leading sellers. They use tools like sponsored products to make sure that their products are visible right on the top. Remember, the more your customers see your products, the more sales you can make. Now, as your order keeps coming in, all you have to do is to make sure that your products reach your customers on time. While there are many delivery options like self-ship, easy ship, and fulfilled by Amazon, our top Amazon sellers use either easy ship or FBA. Now, if you select Easy Ship, then all you need to do is pack the product. Amazon picks it up from your store, ships it, and delivers it to the customer. If you select Fulfillment by Amazon, and all you need to do is drop off your product at an Amazon fulfillment center. From there, Amazon takes care of everything from packaging to shipping and to make sure that your product reaches the customer. There's another tip on time plus problem free deliveries equals happy customers. Happy customers, repeat customers, and that's it. You are now ready to begin your Amazon. Just a quick review as we get ready to welcome you to our seller family. Step 1, complete your registration. Step 2, list your products. Step 3, choose a delivery method. And step 4, start selling. So let's get your online store going and start getting those sales in. It's a brand new day. Once you have registered yourself on Amazon, you will start getting multiple options which you have to choose accordingly, like your categories, and give more information about your products, which will help listing your products easier. If you want to know how to list your products on Amazon, you can check our previous video. Just click on this I button. So guys, as you can see, creating an account and listing your products is not that hard, but the main concern that you will have is getting the orders. So we've talked to an expert on how to grow on Amazon, and this is what I understood from him. So the brand's name of this seller is Somic Crafts, and you can find his account on Amazon, and his products are wall paintings. He started his journey on Amazon a year and a half ago, and in less than a year sold his products worth of 35 million. And he used a variety of strategies to achieve this growth. So I will tell you about the strategies that he has used one by one. So the first strategy that he has applied is listing optimization. So listing optimization is basically optimizing your listings so that when the customer does a search, your product are listed on the top. And to optimize your listing, you have to use a variety of keywords. For example, if a customer is searching using the word wall paintings and the next day he searches for the same product but uses a different word like scenery. So the highlight being that you should use ample amount of synonyms that are related to your product. So if the customer searches for the product in a different name, your product will still be displayed on the top. And if your product is listed on the top, then it's guaranteed that your sales will increase too. The second important strategy is when you are starting to sell on Amazon, invest on ads. If you do not invest in ads, then your sales will be down, and as your sales reduce, your motivation will also degrade. So invest in ads to increase your chances of getting more sales. The third important strategy is when you are listing your products, you have to list more than 50 products. So usually what happens is that when people list their products, they usually list about 5 to 10 of their products, believing that they will get more orders, but this is a misconception. According to the Amazon algorithm, it sees how active you are in their platform. When you think about it, if your portfolio is big, then automatically Amazon will give you a higher rank and make you more visible on the platform and increase your sales. The fourth important thing is follow guidelines. So make sure that you read the guidelines properly and follow them. Never mention any words that Amazon has banned, and also never upload images that Amazon has banned. Make sure that the images that you upload are of the product. The fifth important thing is avoid holidays. Amazon wants you to be active on their platform 24/7. Amazon feels that if that you are more active on the platform, then it has a higher tendency to promote your products, and promoting your products will increase your sales. The sixth important thing is product quality. If you want to have higher sales on Amazon, one thing that you have to religiously follow is to have high quality products. And if your products are high quality, then when a customer sees your ad and decides to buy your product, when he receives your product and the customer is happy with the quality of the product, will give you a good and high rating. And rating, that is the seventh most important thing that you need to remember. The eighth important thing is photography. The images that you take has to be 2000 to 2000 pixels. The first image that you upload should have a white background, and the other images that you upload can have a variety of backgrounds, included animated ones. The ninth important thing is video. When you have videos of your product uploaded on Amazon, then it increases the chance of your products being displayed to a wider audience, which will lead to higher sales. The 10th important thing is FBA. Amazon wants you sellers to sell your products through FBA. Amazon FBA is basically Amazon has a warehouse and they want you to send your products in bulk to this warehouse. And as your products go to the warehouse, whatever fulfillment is needed, Amazon will take care of it. When you send your orders in bulk to this warehouse, Amazon can give better services to its customers. There have been instances where the products have been delayed, damaged, or mispacked, and this leads to customer dissatisfaction. And these problems can be avoided through FBA. Also, Amazon promotes the products that are in FBA more. Amazon is a customer-centric company, which sometimes is strict and sometimes faces loss, but their primary objective is customer satisfaction. The bottom line being, if you have high quality products on Amazon, then you can earn a lot of cash. I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. I'll see you guys next time.